Welcome to Snap and Curl's guide to rolling your hair to achieve the perfect concealed experience. Before we begin, be sure to start with clean and detangled hair. Smooth, tangle-free hair will give you the best results. Your hair can be damp or dry for rolling. Have a comb, brush, hair clips, or hair ties. These can be helpful during the rolling process. Also, if you like, include a product that aids in curl setting or a product that helps to preserve curls. You also may want to go ahead and divide your hair into sections to make the process more manageable. Use the hair clips or hair ties to keep the sections separated. Alright, now let's get started rolling. Take a section of hair and you want to start at the end of the piece of hair and at the end of the curler. You want to roll the end piece of hair, tucking it under itself as you roll more hair onto the curler upward toward the scalp, also keeping it fairly tight. The tighter you roll, the tighter the curl will be. Once you've reached the scalp, secure the curler in place by snapping both ends of the curlers together. Make sure it's snug but not too tight where it's uncomfortable. Then repeat. Continue these steps throughout each section until you have completed all of your hair. Take your time and be consistent with the rolling technique for uniform curls. After all of the curlers are in place, let your hair dry completely before removing the curlers. This could take a few hours. You can wear them for a few days, or you can speed the process by using a hair dryer or a hooded dryer under a medium to low setting. Be patient. The longer you leave them in, the better the curls will hold. Once your hair is completely dry, carefully remove the curlers. Unsnap them and unroll them in a downward motion, resembling the way you rolled them up. Be careful not to pull the hair too much while unrolling. That could result in stretched out curls or cause your curls to droop sooner than intended. Experiment and see what styles you can create with the concealable curler, and afterwards enjoy another style, beautiful curls. Thanks for watching. Roll, snap, and curls.